Hello and welcome to the Dataview Module video. In this video, I will demonstrate the Dataview module of InstantAtlas server. I will show you how the module works and what it looks like. So let's get started. A Dataview is a collection of indicators that the site administrator has put together. These indicators are bundled up using the administration website and are then made available on the user website for your end users to access. As you can see here on the admin side, we're collecting some indicators together into a data view. You then make this data view available at a range of different geographies, and then simply assign one or more of your InstantAtlas Flash dynamic reports to it. This means that the indicators from the data view are automatically streamed in when this dynamic report is accessed. This is the key advantage of the Dataview module: the live delivery of data from a central database into a Flash dynamic report. Moving away from the admin side, we are now looking at the user website. This is the front end site that your end users will be able to see. The Dataview module is chosen from the home page of the InstantAtlas server user site, either by clicking the menu item on the left or the large Dataview icon in the center of the page. This will take you to a screen from where you are able to navigate to the data view of your choice. The default view allows you to navigate by theme. Alternatively, you can navigate to the view of your choice using the tabs along the top. By geotype allows you to browse the available data views according to the geography in which you're interested. As list presents a long list of available views, and search allows you to search for the data views through the metadata. Let's find the data view we are interested in by using the theme tree. Click on a theme to expand it, and then choose the data view in which you are interested. I'm looking for some house price data, so I've expanded the housing theme, and from the list of the two available data views, I'll click on house prices to take us to the data view options screen. The data view options screen allows you to explore the data view you have chosen for all the geographies for which it is available. In this example, data is available at district, county, and national level. You will have noticed that for each geography there are a number of different links in the box. These are the output formats that are available. For example, this data view can be shown as a single map Flash dynamic report, as a double map report, or as an accessible table. The other three options are to allow the data for this data view to be downloaded, either as an XML file, an Excel file, or a comma-separated values file. The options you present on this page to your end users are configurable. Before we look to stream our data into the Flash dynamic reports, I will quickly show you the accessible table view. The table view starts with a tabular display at the bottom of the screen. At the moment, there's a single column only, listing all the districts in our chosen geographic area. Data can be added by browsing through the theme tree, by expanding the theme and then clicking the green add icon next to the indicator name. This reloads the page and the table appears with the indicator added. Further indicators can be added by repeating this process. You can remove indicators from the table by pressing the remove icon. The table can also be sorted by clicking on the column header. I will now add all the indicators into the table for this data view by clicking the latest date link. This should add all the indicators in for the latest date only. Again, the table refreshes and is shown with the data displayed below. When you're happy with your selection, you can save this data to your desktop in one of the three output formats. Alternatively, you can email a link to someone. At the top of the screen, there are also quick links to view this data within the Flash dynamic reports. You can either use these links from here or from the previous page we were looking at before. To view this data in a dynamic report is simple. Simply click the dynamic report into which you wish to stream this data. This dynamic report isn't unique to this house prices data view. It's actually published once and placed on the server and can then be reused for the entire collection of data views. This is because the dynamic report is initially published without any data in it, and then, according to the data view that is selected, the attribute data is streamed in on the fly every time the dynamic report is accessed. We'll now show you the single map template, but do notice that this data may be streamed into all the InstantAtlas Flash dynamic reports for which they are available. One data view can have a whole range of different dynamic reports outputs associated with it, for example the double map or the area profile template. For more information on the different InstantAtlas templates that are available, please see the desktop templates video. You'll notice that the dynamic report actually starts embedded within the user site. If you wish to view the report full screen, just simply click the Fill Window link here. In addition to the standard template functionality, InstantAtlas Server allows you to store metadata about indicators, geographic features, and the data views themselves. For example, by clicking on the metadata button, you can open metadata about the currently selected indicator in this Flash dynamic report. This metadata is managed by InstantAtlas Server and is entered using the administration website. I hope that provides you with a good overview of the Dataviews module for InstantAtlas Server.